Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rico and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to talk about the best place to get iPhones for cheap. Now as we explore the phone flipping game, you see that we've covered how to get started, how and where to hunt for phones. Well, today I'm going to cover the hands down best place to get iPhones for cheap. So y'all know how we do it. Let's jump right into it. So at this point we really went over several ways to acquire cheap iPhones, right? And for those of you who haven't been following along or are just flat out new to the channel, we've covered intense eBay auctions. We've covered Craigslist marketplace meetups. We've covered Facebook marketplace lowballing. But we've never definitively just said, all right, bro, I thought this is the best way to get iPhones for cheap. And I also want to know what y'all think in the comments. Not to sound like a broken record, but after hard thought, I decided that the cash for iPhones business model is the best way to get iPhones for cheap. To bring you up to speed, you basically create an ad, you upload it to Facebook or Craigslist, whichever one works for you. And you're basically saying you offer cash for broken iPhones, working iPhones. You just offer cash for iPhones. At that point, people just gonna start reaching out like crazy. And honestly, your only job is to close the deal. Now, you simply just offer based on what the device is going for on the internet, right? Specifically eBay. And if you don't know how, please see my video. I have a whole guide on how to do that. So I'm gonna link it below. My rule of thumb is always to see what a device is selling for and then factor in $50 to $100 profit for myself, okay? I want to let you know this as well. If you're not confident in your ability to fix broken phones, don't worry, bro. Just leave it alone because it's going to end up costing you more money, time, and frustration if you end up messing up one of your phones that you were supposed to flip. So first I want to talk about how to make these type of ads, and then I want to talk to you about the best ways to distribute these type of ads, okay? All right, so first let's cover how we gonna make them. There are three tools you can use: Canva, right? Pixlr or Photoshop. And you can use pretty much any photo editing software to do this. However, I'll suggest Canva or Pixlr to you simply because you don't have to have a formal design education in order to use those effectively. All right, so I'm about to give you the sauce right now and how easy this is. This is so easy a beginner could do it. You go to Google and you search Google Images, and what you're searching for is cash in hand PNG, right? Long story short, a PNG image is just an image without a background. So if you've ever seen those checker boxes in the back of an image on the internet, that's really just to represent that those are transparent pixels, which is what an image is made of. So I'm not going to take you too far into the design lesson. Just understand it will make getting PNG images with no background will make your design life so much easier. Next, you do the same thing, but this time you're looking for images of phones. So you're going to type broken phone PNG, iPhone PNG. It doesn't have to be broken. Just make sure it's in PNG form. It's going to make it really easy for you to drag these into whatever program and just place them instead of having to learn how to cut out images and all that complicated stuff. So next, what you're going to do is you're going to import them into whichever design software that you choose. You import the PNG images and now they come in as images already ready to place on a design. Hey, what's going on? Real quick, I want to ask if I'm providing you any value. If you can, subscribe to this channel, man. Like this video and comment. Let me know what you think. That would mean a lot to me. Back to what y'all came to see. You add some text and then boom, just like magic, you got yourself an ad, okay? Now, let's talk about the most effective ways to distribute this ad to get your phone ringing off the hook. All right, so now we're gonna go over how to distribute these, how to get them up and get the most people calling you as possible, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna upload it to places like Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Craigslist, all those types of places, all right? Now, you've got to be tricky because Facebook Marketplace has actually cracked down on these type of ads. And what they're looking for exactly is the text. And so I know I didn't go into detail on it. You got to be vague with the language on your post and on the graphic. If you need to, completely take the text off the graphic. When people see it, they pretty much get the idea. Now, you know what? Craigslist and OfferUp don't really trip like that. So you can upload to them as is pretty much. Here's a tip to make your ads more searchable, right? Do 2 instances of the same ad. However, do one priced at $1 and one priced at $100. What that does is make sure you're viewable to people who are maybe filtering the search by price. Last but not least, if you got some cash to put behind it and you're really serious, use Facebook ads, use Instagram ads, use Twitter ads, use paid advertising, period. I actually have a master guide on how to leverage Facebook ads specifically for your phone flipping business, and I'll link that one as well. And I pretty much go over the ins and outs on how to use Facebook to acquire different leads. Okay, so and you use the same type of ad, okay, but you target a specific group, all right, and that's when it gets powerful with the ads, all right. And you set your duration, you set your ad duration on how long you want it to run, and boom, you just sit back and watch the calls come in. Now, once again, it's up to you to close the deals, but just to take some pressure off of you, always remember, if you can't get them to come within $50 of the profit of what you can sell it for, the profit that you can make, then just pass, bro. It's not, it's plenty fish in the sea when it comes to that. Here's a pro tip that I didn't figure out until later on, and when I did, I just was punching myself for not really realizing it sooner. Take you some time, go research the price of every phone, what they're going for on eBay. Every phone from the 6 to the current iPhone 11 Pro Max. And you're going to look and see what each of those is selling for, right? And you print it out. That way, you always have it. One mistake I made, honestly, is I missed out on a lot because when I'm in the middle of these texts and these calls or whatever, I'm not really knowing. So I have to research and get back with somebody, and it just was too much. But if I had something that I could just, oh, you have an iPhone 6. Let me see what the iPhone 6 is going for. Oh, I can do that, or oh, I can't do that. Just something simple like that. All right, so in the end, this is the best way to get phones because honestly, you have the leverage. People have to come to you. You don't have to go out and lowball. You don't have to go win bids. This is the best way to get cheap iPhones, okay? So that's going to wrap it up today, man. I just wanted to cover that for y'all quick. Once again, man, I want to really thank y'all for rocking out with me. Thank y'all for just all the support, man. It means a lot to me. Also, if you like any of my content, if this video was helpful for you today, I want to please ask that you, number one, hit the like button. Number two, please subscribe to me if you're not already. That tells the algorithm that your boy is working hard. So that's going to be it for tonight. I'm going to go ahead and sign out. Please don't hesitate to watch one of the videos that they're about to pop up on the screen. Once again, that helps my channel grow. If you want to learn more about how to grow a phone flipping business, what you need to look for, then check it out. Let's get it.